Panthera Tigris Altaica by Lioba Brückner, special treatment. We've got several pearls for this special treatment pack, and this is for a square painting, so all square pearls are used for this treatment, starting with snow pearls sprinkled on the white areas of the tiger. Aside from that, we also have some chili pearls sprinkled on the red areas, and then also some lemon pearls for the yellow areas, and then some lime pearls for the green areas, violet pearls for the purple areas. And basically these are going to be placed on the matching colors on the canvas that you see for the lemon, the lime, the violet, chili, and snow. So this is for Panthera Tigris Altaica by Lioba Brückner Special Treatment Pack.